let's proceed to the validative function where we
Thanks,
have
Srini.
all dignitaries and the presence around. And to make it to the further, we
Thanks, Suresh.
started
Bye.
this.
Bye.
Yeah, you can be around, please. It's fine. It's our pleasure to host you. And this is the final show. We are representing the numbers, and this is the sixth day ending of our all pursuits of this hard work of digitalness. So to our note, we started this journey on 5th of January 2021 with the Swasthakon 2021 telemedicine certificate program, where we unlocked the doors of new reality, where we had 6 modules, and with registered almost 23,000 individuals, we started this
Yes.
journey on 5th of January, where one module was unlocked on day first with at 10 a.m. And within 3 hours, there were almost 380 plus consultants who had gone through that module, and that was overwhelming response we had with the running OPD of those consultants going through this module. And with the end, we had all 6 went through, and the certificate distributed online virtually. To the first module which we had was telemedicine guideline and summary and understanding by Dr. Manoj Chawla from Mumbai, where the theme was unlock the doors to the new normal. Then followed by my session on diabetes clinic of tomorrow, where we would build how it would be possible with the new normal, new reality. And then proceeding to the further, we had Dr. Neglu from Mumbai, who did medical legal aspects of telemedicine. Then Dr. Shashank Joshi, who did rational use of oral anti-diabetic drugs in remote consultation. Then Dr. Jyoti Dev from Kerala, who is master to deliver best use of technology in driving the remote consultation. And to end, Dr. Krishna Sheshadri, telemedicine cases and best practices. With these 6 modules, when we ended on Friday evening 9 p.m., we had 22,728 registered for ourselves, and those were from 20 plus countries. Even the certificate program completed and who got the certificate were 2879 individuals who went through all 6 modules along with their question answers and their clinical scenarios in their clinical lives. And they shared their certificates with ourselves on social media and all other aspects. Now to furthering in the Saturday Sunday, where we build on to the special attraction of Swasthakon. The scientific program was focused on new normal realities and clinical practices, more interactive question answers with faculties, and we had plenty of questions to ask, were asked to the faculties, and there were these interactive sessions were built on with the focus that everyone gets involved, learn, share, and teach can be possible. What is the basic root of our vision by our chairman? And to further, these special attractions were supported with the digital platform we had on the delegate side, and that is what we see. The digital platform had a special features, 2 halls along with the activities area, where we had the selfie zone along with the dignitaries word from Pujya Gyanvatsal Swamiji, Pujya Adhyatmanandji Swamiji, BK Shivani Didi. Even the young doctors did role play. That is part of our activity area. When we see the word of wisdom, where we have the esteemed faculties who had given their testimonies, and where we have received the feedbacks from all our delegates along with the words, video messagings to us. The young doctors who presented plenty of posters in this 6 days. First 4 days we had 48 paper presentation, and we would have that award ceremony lined up in the next 5 minutes only. So those posters are in poster gallery. Then we have Swasthya launch. Even the delegates have asked question in the pre-question ask area, where there are plenty of questions put on over there. And we have the extinguished exhibition area for our supporters. To further note, we have the national as well as international faculties and all our supporters lined up in the lobby. Please, next slide. If we see the activity area, where we see the specifically we demand the feedback, what do you expect from Swasthakon and what would you like to deliver ourselves in the next Swasthakon? And we are looking forward to all your video testimonies as well as video messages through this platform, so that can reach to us personally and we can address those things. We have special features to those who have interacted most or asked questions, And those we have till time in this platform almost 528 questions asked to all our faculties to address for. And when we ran through the poll and quizzes, there were 1286 participants who had been participating in this. On this basis, to make it more interactive, we had a special awards for ourselves. The exciting competitions, which were most interactive delegate, most responsive delegates, best papers presented in paper presentation, and the quiz competitions. And to most interactive delegate is the one who the delegate who asked the questions when which were relevant for the speakers, and they made the interaction more interesting. And that is followed by our co-chair and co-organizing team would be declared. Even best delegate award, which is the person who had attended the maximum session, ask more questions during the live session, give maximum feedback to the conference, even the who had given the video testimony or video feedbacks about the conference, and visited the special areas of the digital platform. Along with there were special nomination places where they have nominated themselves, and this is the delegate we would scrutinize over time and declare on 18th of January on our social media. And so look forward, follow Swasthya Con Facebook page where you will find the yourself may be getting awarded for the best delegate award. So proceeding to the further, we have the award ceremony, and where I would like to invite Dr. Vishal Shah for he is a research coordinator to proceed further for the award ceremony. Thank you everyone to the Vishal Shah sir.
Thank you, Dr. Yas Patel, sir. As a research coordinator, I want to just emphasize two lines which summarize the entire path of starting of announcement of your oral presentation date to the award ceremony. In this COVID scenario also, we have got more than 70 papers for conference, but not all 70, some of them are rejected on the basis of review and expert panels and judges which are with
Next slide,
us.
please.
Next slide, please. Out of the 70 papers which we have received, 45 abstracts have been approved after first preliminary review by our expert judges and faculty members. That 45 papers which we have received will went for live presentations for starting from 5th to 8th January, all day evening session, 1.5 hours. From 45 papers presentations, we have given the prizes, that is first prize, second and third prize, according to their presentation and the particularly markings and their analysis done by our respected faculty members. I cannot forget to thank all my judges and panelists who have taken extremely good participation by their comments, their reviews, and encouraged the boost of every and each participants. Dr. Nitin sir, Dr. Ken Bhatt sir, Dr. Nain Kadri madam, Bipin sir, Vipul Srivastav sir, Arun Saxena madam, and Chitralekha madam. I will thank all them on the behalf of SwasthyaCon organizing committee that your help is too much helpful, and we always requires your extreme support in each and every conference like this, sir. Thank you all very much. Can we proceed for next? Okay, so as I told, out of the 45 presentations, we have selected the winners. The third prize for oral presentation, which goes to Dr. Nupur Shah. Very much congratulations to Dr. Nupur Shah for their extremely good presentation. Okay, so finally from third prize, now we have a second prize winner. Who is that? Oh, is a Mr. Akash Sethi. He is a third year MBBS student, but the presentation was so excellent that it will be remarked by each and every faculty members. And the first prize definitely goes to the residents, Dr. Mitesh Kumar Rathwa. Very much congratulations, Dr. Mitesh, for getting the first prize in this oral presentation ceremony out of 45. Although you are best, that's why our judges have selected you. So now moving further, as Dr. Yas rightly said, we have a most interactive delegates, but the delegates, all delegates' efforts are always appreciated by our committee and SwasthyaCon 2021. But the most interactive can be only one. And who is that? The person names Miss Bhavya. And the Bhavya is always a good student. Why I'm telling? Because he is a third year medical student. She had presented a paper also, very good paper on a diabetic foot wound healing treatment, and asked each and every questions in each and every session to get back and feedback from our expert faculty panels. That's why, Bhavya, you are very much congratulated for getting this most interactive delegate award. Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm giving my giving over to Dr. Susil Patel. He is also organizing secretary for giving vote of thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Vishal. And first of all, congratulations to all the winners. And first, I would like to thank Lord, the God, Bhagwan, to make it successful. The second, uh, next slide, please. Uh, I would like to thank our special guests for this whole 7 days. That is Gnan Vatsal Swamiji and the Pujya Adhyatmanand Swamiji and BK Shivani Didi and Chandrika Didi for their presence during the inauguration ceremony also, for their kind words of blessings, and to Gnanutal Swamiji and the Pujya uh, Adhyatmanand Swamiji for their wonderful lectures of the COVID-19 era for lifestyle modification, how we can manage it. And our special thanks to the Health Minister of Zimbabwe, Dr. Manguro, for his presence and also chairing the session of our oration lecture. So thank you all the dignitaries for their precious time for the Swastikon and their blessings, and we will hopeful that we will get your blessings in the coming years also. Now, I would like to thank firstly Dr. Mayur Patel for his excellent vision of the Swastikon and making it possible for all of us and delighted us with this wonderful scientific feast. And for that, I would like to thank Dr. Mona Shah, the scientific committee chairman, and the whole team of the whole organizing committee to giving us this opportunity to attend this Swastikon. Along with that, I would like to thank Dr. Kavya and Dr. Divyang for the wonderful moderation of the session as a master of ceremony for the 2 days, and they had make it possible to complete on time on each and every session and to give the justice to all the delegates and the speakers. Now I would like to thank Dr. Swapnil, Dr. Teeth, who are the backbone of the Swastikon, and they had run the show behind the curtains. The interns and the PG students, they had made a wonderful skit. I hope that all of you had gone through that skit and in the activity area, and that was wonderful. They are trying to make awareness about the diabetic food and how the patients are doing the window shopping of the doctors and uh, the another thanks for the our associations associate partners like the International Diabetic Association, the Indian Diabetic chapter of the ACP, the SNO, the Student Network Association of India, Student Network Association of the Africa, then the GCS Medical College, Delhi Food International, and the Medical Network Student Association of IMA. So thank you all of you and all the team members of this association for associated with us. And we are looking forward for your continuous association in the future also. And how can we forget our supporters, the Swastikon supporters for being with us on the consecutive years. And it is not possible without you to make it possible the Swastikon on this wonderful platform. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Dr. Ina Patel and Dr. Palak Patel for sparing their valuable time and the hospitality for the backend team also, and all the Swastikon team members for their supports. And lastly, I would like to thank my Idea team, Rajesh Bhai, Somnath Bhai, Pankti, and Neeraj, and the Darshan, for their continuous presence to make it possible seamlessly without any hassle. This whole Swastikon without a single hurdle. We had see this platform running, and thank you all. Thank you once again. Thank you all of you. I would like to just request you all of you to being with us on the Swastikon website and the follow us on the Facebook to get the more details of the certificate and get the recording of the sessions of whole of the scientific program of Hall 1 and the Hall 2.
Eight
So
credit points. 8 credit points.
And yes, I'm thankful to the GMC, that is the Gujarat Medical Council, for giving the 8 credit points for this conference, and that is wonderful. And I would like to congratulate the whole scientific committee to get it possible from the Medical Council. So just be with us on this Swasthakon platform, and we will like to meet you soon on the coming year, that is January 2022, on the 7th and 9th for the Swasthakon 2022 International Conference on the Metabolic Disease. So over to you, Dr. Yash Patel.
So it is indeed pleasure with all of your supports, all scientific teams and dear faculties, and not only delegates. There are faculties who had joined from the first session and they are with us with our last session also. And to a further note, I'll request Dr. Mahadev Desai sir to share his word of wisdom and the blessings for our team. And he had been mentors to all many of ourselves. And sir, please, your words, please.
First of all, let me congratulate one and all who worked so hard for this conference of this mega size, starting from Dr. Mayur Patel to Dr. Yash Patel, Dr. Kush Patel, and the entire projection team. And I think this is for the first time that I saw myself taking the lecture and listening to it. That is because of the pre-recorded lectures that save time, and that also I also learned what are my mistakes or what would I improve in the next time. So it's really a good idea to have the pre-recorded sessions, then we can maintain the time, and time management was flawless. Absolutely. That IT team deserve all the congratulations for their flawless streaming. Absolutely good. And I'm very happy that at least I don't know about the diabetic, but it's polygenic inheritance, but conference skill and all are definitely inherited from Mayur to Yash and Kush. So the Swasthya of Swasthakon is definitely in good hands, and that will continue that uh, further also. So all the best. Thank you. I enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Dr. Shri is around. Dr. Shri, if you want to add on any words on that note. Dr. Hina, your side, please. Yes. Any of the member who want to share, and then
Ma'am,
we
you
can...
are on mute.
I'm really thankful for the opportunity I've been given, and I will always look forward for the association in future too. And it was a treat. It was a treat of knowledge. I learned so much today, and I can also because of the whatever I missed, I will definitely go and look forward to whatever I have missed because of my clinics. I will go through and I'll make sure I'll go through every lecture and increase my
So,
knowledge. So
so
it
you
was
are
a
enrolling us to put it for available to all of around.
yes,
But be tuned. So be tuned on page
yes,
of
yes, definitely,
Swasthakon,
definitely,
and just make sure whenever the certificates are around, we'll let you know on Swasthakon page that how you can
definitely,
download it and
yes,
have those. And same about the sessions what we had in last 6 days. And
yes,
this
yes,
all is possible with all of your participations and active involvements. And yes, plenty of questions and interactions from the delegate side. You all made this possible. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you
I
so much.
want to
Thank you
add
so
one
much.
thing. Just
Yes,
I want
please.
to add one thing, that
Yes.
how the Swasthakon is benefiting to the practicing doctors. Yesterday only I had received one message at the night when I went back to my room, that one doctor has said me that I had attended today in my busy schedule of the OPD, and thank you so much for that, to giving me this opportunity. Today I detected a case of diabetes, did a EGFR, the creatinine was high. I had done the ECG due to high BP of 180 by 100, and echo also followed by that. And I had sent that patient to the Heart Institute, and that saves the life of the patient. So today's lecture boosted me in my clinical practice. So on the same day, the Swasthakon may have some impact in the life of the patients also. So that is a great news for us also, and that is a great motivation for all of us.
That's a really good thing. That's a really good thing to hear.
So thank you everyone, and we'll meet you soon next year for Swasthakon 2022. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
वो है स्वास्थ्य की जो मिठास, वो मीठे से भी खास। डायबिटीज से करे दोस्ती, जीवन में घोले सुवास, जीवन में घोले सुवास।
है स्वास्थ्य की जो मिठास, वो मीठे से भी खास। डायबिटीज से करे दोस्ती, जीवन में घोले सुवास,
जीवन में घोले सुवास। अरे दिल की एक आवाज
है स्वास्थ्य हमारा साज।
डायबिटीज से करे दोस्ती,
जीवन में घोले सुवास। डायबिटीज से डर क्यों जरा,
चाहे जो भी हो उम्र भला।
है हर अवस्था में उपचार,
प्रसूति में भी जो खराब। इलाज से हो आगाज,
है स्वास्थ्य हमारा साज।
डायबिटीज से करे दोस्ती,
जीवन